I'm Justin Strain. I'm a pain management physiotherapist with Southern Health NHS Foundation Trust. I'm also coming towards the end of my clinical academic internship with ARC Wessex. My internship project has involved a systematic review of qualitative research regarding online pain management interventions and also a qualitative study using semi-structured interviews with participants in an online group pain management program. I first started to develop an interest in research during my bachelor's and master's physiotherapy degrees, and I found the questions raised by qualitative research particularly fascinating regarding the experiences and perceptions people had of healthcare. Over the last few years in clinical practice, I've become more aware that I wanted to get back involved in more research, and initially had a chat to my line manager and Neil Langridge, consultant physiotherapist in our trust. They were both very supportive. I spoke to Dr. Ewan Sadler, who works within our trust but also for ARC Wessex and at the University of Southampton. And Ewan again was very supportive and offered to be my supervisor along with Dr. Lindsay Welch when the opportunity for a clinical academic internship came up. The internship itself has been a huge learning curve, a very enjoyable and fascinating learning curve, but I realised early on that I don't know what I don't know, and there were lots of complex concepts involved in qualitative research that I really had to get to grips with and understand, as well as the processes such as NHS ethics that need to be gone through in order to get research off the ground. So that's certainly been a big learning journey for me. My supervisors have been very supportive and have given me great guidance every step of the way, as well as ARC Wessex, who have put on numerous training events and other more informal support opportunities. So I do feel very much that I've been part of the ARC Wessex organisation all the way through this internship, and I know that in the future there will still be further opportunities with ARC Wessex. So that's really good to know as well. Another challenge I've found has been ring fencing my own time as a busy clinician and service lead. There are always things that can tear you away from your research work, so I've had to be quite disciplined in prioritising that for myself and saying, actually, I need to make this space available to get this research done, because the research is really important as well. And I have found that sometimes in research things take a bit longer than I thought they would. That's no reason not to be ambitious, because actually it's really important that we get good quality research done. But I think it has taught me to not just focus on the end goal of the research, but actually to enjoy that journey every step of the way. And that's probably the key message I'd give to future clinical academic internees.